Hey guys, today's video we're going to see how you can create a virtual PayPal account for your organization. Maybe you want to receive donations. We're going to see how you can set up an account so that you can receive donations. Okay, and these steps are meant for actually people who are coming from restricted countries like Uganda, others. We're going to see what you should consider if you're trying to create a PayPal account that can be used on your organization, or maybe you're trying to use it on maybe for any donation purpose. Okay. Now, first of all, we create websites. By the way, it's one of the websites that we have created for an NGO, and it's based in Uganda. You realize on their donate, you click on their donate. For some of you who don't know how donate button look, it looks like that. Okay. When you go here, you can kind of someone can donate you money one time, can donate you money monthly. This one usually works for people who are paying for maybe kids sponsorship. So if someone is donating you money and selects $100 per month, it means every month his account will be deducted, like $100 will be deducted and sent to you. If it says yearly, it means every year it will be deducted this money and sent to you. One time means it will be one time, okay? And they even show you how much they will charge you to cover the fees if you want to include them. If you include them, they will be charging you like $100, 103.83 dollars, something like that. So we're going to see how you can, what you should consider if you're creating such a virtual PayPal account in Uganda to receive payments. Don't be confused when we say virtual PayPal account, we are actually referring to the real PayPal account. That's why it's on PayPal. Okay, so in other words, virtual PayPal is a slang used in Uganda mainly. So this is actually the same way you can create PayPal even if you're not in Uganda to receive donations. So we're going to really have some steps skipped, which are basic. We're going to focus mainly on what you should be careful when you're putting your details in a PayPal account which you're going to use for donations. Okay. So let me assume like you did the setup, you choose the like business account, you put in your name, blah blah blah, all that stuff. You have got a code on your email, you have verified the email, and you're here. Then you're going to start the process. If you're creating a virtual PayPal account organization, you're going to go for option of business. Okay, you're a registered company or non-profit. So you're going to choose business, and you're going to say you are an organization, non-profit organization. Okay, after that, you're going to say next. So after next, so it's important to choose non-organization, not individual, okay? Because if the organization is strict, it's going to be organization, right? If you don't choose the organization, you miss out some things as we will see. So after that, you're going to put the organization name. Let me say your organization is Hemka Children uh, Care, something like that. I'm just using a random thing. I'm not sure it is anything like chemical. Let me just make it unique. Something like that. So that let me say this is your organization name that you want people to see if they're donating. Just as here you see like donate to this. So this is where you put that organization name. Remember at the start, here you have to put your personal names. But in the second phase, that's where you put your organization names. Most people make a mistake and they put the organization names at the start. This, they're not asking you your organization names, they're asking you your names on your ID. Okay, and now make sure you have actually an ID for these details that you're putting in here, because one time they'll ask you for the ID to prove this name. So here you put your names at the start. Here, that's where you put the organization name that you want people to see if they're donating. Probably is the organization name that you have on your website or whatever you have it. So after that, trading name, you can tick on this so that they use that. Most cases, this is the same as the one which is up. So you'll capture that. Yeah, your registration number, you may have to put your registration number. Currency, you can change the currency, maybe Canadian dollars or that. By default, you can leave it to USD dollars. What do you sell or what service do you offer? Okay, now it's a Poland. Say this non-profit is registered. It will pop up. Say okay. Do you have a website? You can say yes or no. If you don't have a website, you can say no. If you have a website, you can put it here. If you want to put a website, that's why you put it like this. And put your organization, whatever website or whatever it is. Okay. But in this case, we're not going to put anything. We're just gonna say no. We're gonna put your number. Okay, whatever your number is. Okay. Whatever your number is. Okay, and I'm just giving some demo. Okay. Now, this is where you're going to put your address. Okay. Now, this address, most cases, has to be from a country which is a bit supported. If you're creating such an account from Uganda, you have to consider the address that you're going to use. Okay, the address has to be able to be verified, and there have to be a document that you can use to verify that address. So if you don't have an address that you can verify, you're going to be going into a trap using PayPal, because some of these details have to be verified. You have to prove. Okay. Now, if you don't have if you're not sure what kind of address that you can use, can call me, then I kind of actually there's a link which I'm going to leave in the description. It helps you to know how the format of the address has to be. So, for example, the address can't be PO Box because this is not where you stay. This has to be an address. It has to be something maybe like maybe like let me just put like something like that. Estates, house number, maybe it's 8. Put a road, okay, something like that. You have to put a road. Okay, let me just give an example, something like that. City, okay. I'm just giving this an example, but you have to make sure like you can verify this information, right? This information just for demo purposes. So after that, you have to click next. Now, before you click next, make sure these details can be confirmed, because PayPal will ask for you for proof of your address. So don't just put junk. You have to be able to defend that. Now, for some of you who are not technical about, because in Uganda we don't have actually some addresses which are compatible with PayPal. We don't even have a postal code actually. This is like country code. It's not supposed to be a postal code. So for some of you, actually, you can reach out to us, then we can give you assistance in creating such an account. Because what you put is sensitive. If you can't defend what you're putting, your money will be held and you'll be suspended. So it's kind of important you work with someone who is well conversant with PayPal. We give some consultants at our office, so you can always reach out to us. Okay. So so let me say you put these details. You can kind of define this address, put in a number. Okay, let me just use something like that. Okay, let me just use that. I just want to make sure like what I'm putting doesn't it? Okay, someone doesn't have that number, so I'm very sure no one has that number. Okay, so let me click on next. So when you click on next, you have to put your date of birth, your nationality, where you're born, something like that. Okay, and all that stuff. Okay, now when you're creating all this, make sure still the address. You can just stick here, the address will be captured. Okay. Um, put the number there. Okay, this guy is a bit sensitive. The number has to be a bit compatible with kind of country. So let me just put something like that. Just want to make sure I'm going to use. So after this, I'm going to delete this account because I just have to make sure like status are not really. So you put your date of birth, can be any, maybe you're born in which country, let me just put that. Nationality, you have to select your nationality, your number, something like that. So let me just say next. Okay. So after putting these details, just make sure everything can be verified. If you're not sure what you're doing, kindly reach out to us so that we can kind of help you out. Right? So I'm going to kind of going to do Uganda, and I'm going to be asked some additional information about my income. So I'm just going to say no, right? Just to avoid extra documents which may be required from me. In this procedure, I'm going to say no, no, no. Okay. So I'm going to confirm. And there I'm done. So you can go to your home, and also you can even actually create a donate button. If you want to create a donate link like this, which you can use on your website, you have to go to PayPal/donate. Okay, just do PayPal/donate, then you enter. When you do PayPal/donate, that's why you're going to be given an option to generate links for your donate. Okay, let me just try to answer these questions. Pass. Okay, I think that is it. Okay, I seem we have to actually first finish something. All right. So when you're done, you go to your home, and you'll be having your organization account. You'll be having you have a pay and get paid. Make sure you have that. Make sure you can see your PayPal balance. So let's go and create a PayPal donate link. Usually come here, paypal.com/donate/buttons. Okay. I think it's the link which I usually use for buttons. Or actually, you can just search generate PayPal, say whatever. Okay, I think actually, all right. For donate links, I think you check out my YouTube. You have to get an exact link which I can use. You go to my YouTube, and there's a video where I document where you can create donate link button which looks like this. So you go into my videos and you look for a section for PayPal, and people have a lot of videos actually. You just look for where you can create a donate link. It's the video, and you follow the steps. I'm going to have a link, this link in my video description, so that in your free time you can do it yourself. Okay. So after that, you'll be done. For steps on creating the link, you can use that. This account can receive payments, and also you can pay and get paid. In other words, you can get paid. All right. Now, concerning put the banking details, I will refer to you another video which is in my description, because most of the videos I've done them in the recent years, so you can just follow up what I've been doing in my YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel so that you don't miss videos like this that help you to do stuff like this, and also how to make money online. Okay, so this is how you can set up your virtual people account in Uganda for an organization. Make sure actually you kind of verify your email before you actually create the donate link. Okay. So in case of those who are stuck, maybe you're stuck in how you can create such an account, you can contact me. I have the numbers on my YouTube channel. You can reach out to me, or you can come to our office if you're in Kampala. Then we can kind of help you and guide you how to do this. Okay. See you again in the next video, and bye bye.